Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Oh boy, we got a new high today in Tesla of 404.80. Of course, our previous high a little over 3 years ago was 414.50. So we were about $10 short, just a little under $10. And we have a death cross here. And I'm going to go through this death cross with you and give you some idea where it might bring us to, possibly. And also, in the next live stream I do after this one, I'm going to talk about and show you why I believe that $7,200, $7,200 is in your near future. And I'm saying why in less than 2 years you will see $7,200 in this stock in anywhere from 20 months to 2 years. That's 24 months. Okay, so here's your death cross. This is the 50 moving average, the blue dotted line. The 200 is the yellow one. And just pre-market here, shortly before the open, it went through the death cross at 396.75. 396.75, and it's currently brought us down to 377.92 area. And I think very likely it's going to probably take us a little lower. I view this as 100% a buying opportunity in Tesla. This is, in my opinion, anywhere that you buy, when the price is going to 1,000, then 7,200, then 10,000, and we'll talk all about that in the next live stream that I do, and I'll make my case for that. So right now is not a time to panic. It's a buying opportunity. It's what it is. Okay, so where's this thing going? We've got a $20 drop here so far with this death cross. What can a death cross do? Well, $23, $24 is usually peaks it out, and so we could be close to it, but there are times when death cross in this 5 minute will give you 50, even up to $100. So it can really get going, but Grandpa doesn't see it going quite that far. So right down here at I'm gonna get onto I got to get onto a bigger chart here. Okay, here our previous. Okay, Jeff is on here and he's going, and a fine morning it is. Well, hello there, Mr. Mom. He got 10 more at 383. Buy some at 377 and then 367. Jeff is buying shares. He's always doing it right. Okay, so this area right here, okay, going across, you're going to have a little bit of support there, okay, right around the 370 area, 370, 367, which was our previous high pivot point. Okay, I'd be pretty surprised if we break through that 367.20. I think it's going to probably hold us tight. It doesn't have to, but I think that's pretty much your worst case scenario. But 377, I think, is to 370. Oh, two area. Right in this area here, I think you want to be buying your shares. The 377. Maybe it won't dip that far. Maybe she'll reverse on us and go straight to the moon. But the indexes are down substantially. They got that battle going on over in Syria. Them are some things going on in the world, but and China has some deal going against Nvidia right now that's bearish, and Tesla's a number of cars they put out in the last quarter or whatever was short by about 1,000 cars, and so they're using some of these things as a catalyst to drop us down here some, and they want to shake you loose out of your shares so they can buy them, because like I say, this thing is going to $7,200 in Grandpa's opinion within less than 2 years, and that's Grandpa's opinion. Of course, Grandpa's got an opinion. You got to always remember, trading is reactive, not predictive. So when you see an opportunity like this, you either react or you don't react. And trading is reactive. Grandma's got her long position. Currently, her average is up at the 392 area, so she's in the red. But Grandma's not worried one iota. She'll just wait, and she'll buy a few more shares down here when she comes back from. She's got a church meeting with ladies today, and hopefully it will go down close to this 370 area right here, or the 375. Now, nobody knows for sure where the bottom is. So my suggestion is, if you got some gunpowder left, is to buy one here and there and improve your average. That's what Grandpa's doing. And we're just, because the sky is the limit with this stock, Grandpa's opinion. And I about an hour or so, I'm going to come on and I'm going to do the live stream on why Tesla is going to be $7,200 within less than 2 years from now. So when you think about that, it don't really matter whether you pay $350 or $400 for your shares. GTC EXT is now. Grandpa's got that now. I'll show it to you. It's right here. GTC EXTO is 24-hour trading, and I'm in the club. You have to call Schwab and get on their list to be approved for it. I don't believe it's good for everybody yet until possibly the middle of February. But if you call them and ask to get put on so you can trade 24 hours a day, you very likely will get it. And so I know it works because I put orders in last night in the middle of the night, and so it is working. GTC EXTO 24-hour trading. Grandpa's got it. And Grandma's got it too, I believe. I haven't checked hers yet to make sure, but I think she does. So yeah, I don't think we're done going down. I'm on the 1 hour chart here. Let me go through and tell you what we got going. We have a sell signal in the 5 minute currently in the HEIKIN ASHI candles. We have a sell signal in the 15 minute. Currently have a sell signal in the 30 minute. We're going to go right on through them all here and see what we got going. Oh, man. Well, she's looking pretty bearish here for the time being. Beautiful sell signal in the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour chart right here. Yeah, this area right. There is a chance we could see that 357 area, but I think the 367 and above is going to hold us. But if it doesn't, the 357 is your next spot for buying. So, okay, let's see here. I'm going to look at the daily, see what we got in this daily. Oh, look at that pretty candle. Wow. Here's your 367 right here. I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. And I'll be back this evening with fair opening price for tomorrow also. Yeah, this blue line right here, I'd really be surprised if you see that number. I think 370, 377, somewhere in there is going to probably hold us. Gee, it hit Grandpa's fair opening price today. Went right through it. Oh, Grandpa did something right. Scary. Yeah, 404.80, don't worry about that. You'll see that number again here in your near future. So get your shares while you still can. Okay, so buy signal in the daily, the weekly. Beautiful buy signal. This don't look so scary. You know, you look at them little time frames that scare you half to death. You know, $10, $20 looks like a lot, but when you're looking at this weekly buy signal here, here's your 367 line in the sand that we're Grandpa thinks that's probably your worst case scenario. Matter of fact, I think we're going to stop just right around that number. If it can even make it to it, would be very fortunate for some people to get some shares. This thing is strong. Okay, monthly, where did it go? Right there, and there it is. Look how pretty this looks. Yep, this white line right here is 302. I do believe that at some time in our future, we very likely will see this number come again. And I think I might be able to show you why I believe that. I'm not quite sure I can get it to do it with this chart. Let me try find you I gotta get it on a higher time frame, or not higher time frame. Okay, so here's your 302 right here. And when she bounced off of it before, it came down and stabilized in this 302 area. And it was also a high back over here when it was on its way up. That 302 area is, and it went up to there and stopped and came back down. It's probably one of the strongest places that the stock tends to return to is that crazy 302. And so at some time in our future, whatever happens that would bring us there, just Grandpa's opinion, but I think sometime in our future here, whether it's 6 months or a year from now, we might bounce down there, but that's no big deal because in 2 days it can be back at 400 and then off to the races. But right now we're just getting a healthy retracement, and that's all it is. Buy the dip, buy, in Grandpa's opinion. So, and like I say, I'm going to come back a little bit later today, and I'm going to do a live stream and show you why we're going to go to $7,200 per share, and what I'm basing that on, other than all the good things we all know about Tesla already, like FSD and the full self-driving, the robo-taxi, Optimus. I just think we're gonna, when we hit 7,200, you might have a chance to sell some shares, possibly if you wanted to, and rebuy them for $500 less, type of deal. Sounds crazy, but that's the nature of this thing. So, oh man, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Current price of Tesla is $383. Be patient. Be patient. Grandpa's got buys in. I'm a buyer all the way down to the bottom. So here we go. Oh, this yellow line down here is 101.81. 101.81. This yellow line. Think you'll ever see that again? I don't think so. I don't think we're going to see that one for a while. Okay, hope this was helpful. You're under a death cross, and but the daily, weekly, and monthly are buy signals. The dominant trend is up. We're looking for our new top pivot point, and does Grandpa think that, let me put it back on that hourly, is 404.80 our new top pivot point? It is possible. There's no doubt. 367 down here was our previous one. So that'd be $37. And sometimes it does do one that's just in the 30s and then retraces. But we'd have to, I just don't believe it. Almost all the time it's $50 to $60, $70 that we get for our next pivot point. And that puts you up around 430, 435. Then I'd be way more of a believer that it's our top pivot point. So I believe we're still looking for our top pivot point. I don't believe 404.80 is it. Could Grandpa be wrong? Sure, Grandpa could be wrong. And I'll know within a day or two. whether it is or not, but by then the price will probably be down around 367 area, 370. Boy, if you can snag shares in the 370s, you probably, even the 377 area, that's a buying opportunity in this stock. So I'm just a little bit, we've got sell signals in the smaller time frames, the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15, and the 5. So buying opportunity. She's already slowing down on the way down. There's a lot of pressure in this stock. So get on the bus. Like I say, I'm going to come back and do one, and I'm going to tell you exactly why 7,200 is coming. And I got it. Grandpa's been calculating. I was calculating all the time on that. Calculating. Hey, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you later.